Hi guys, check out this creative style with braids and twists. Start with parting at the top of the hair. Left side should be wider. I use water spray and styling cream. I'll leave the link for cream in description below. Brush the hair well and tie small ponytail on each side. Now make a braid on the right side. Then create a low ponytail with remaining hair. Now add the braid to ponytail. Divide the left ponytail in two hair strands. Top one should be thinner. Make a twist braid from the thin one. Now make a bubble braid with hair elastics. You'll connect the twist braid with a strand underneath. Pull the sides of each part to make it look nicer and fuller. Now bind it with low ponytail. You can add pretty hair clip or hair tie of your choice. Now let's make a braid. You will need elastic rubber bands for each part. Make an opening in the middle and pull the hair through it. Repeat the steps with the remaining two parts. You can leave it like this or add some extra hair tie at the bottom as well. You can also add nice hair clips on top. That's all. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.